Instructors will often give you an assignment that includes finding scholarly articles, which are also known as academic or peer-reviewed articles. The library is here to help you find them quickly and easily. Let's take a look at good ways to find scholarly articles. Scholarly articles are not the same as news or magazine articles. They are written by academic researchers and put through a long process before being published in specialized scholarly journals. At Butte College, we subscribe to online databases that collect the articles and make them easy to find. You will not have much luck looking for scholarly articles through a regular Google search. The few you do find are usually behind a paywall. As a Butte College student, you never have to pay money to find articles for your research. You have access to millions of scholarly articles through the college library. To search for scholarly articles, it's best to start on our databases page, which is easily accessible with this button on our front page. Check out our video on choosing the best database for your project to figure out which databases will work best for you. Here, we'll start with the most general database, Academic Search Complete. If you are off campus, you will be asked to log in with your MyBC username and password. You will then see this search page with 3 search boxes and some options below. It is always a good idea to check the full text option so that your results are all fully readable. To search only for scholarly articles, check this option. If you do not check it, you will get a mix of popular and scholarly articles in your results, which is also fine. Here is a results list. Each article has an icon next to it indicating what kind of thing it is. An academic journal article, that's what we want. A periodical, like a magazine or a trade journal. A newspaper article, or a review. You can also choose one of those options on the menu to the side if you want to narrow down your results list. When you see an article on the list that you think looks appropriate for your research, click on it to see information about it. Because scholarly articles are usually very long and written at a high level, they always have an abstract, which is a short summary of the article written by the author. The abstract is a great tool because you don't have to read the whole 20-page article in order to figure out whether it is helpful to you. You just read the abstract to make that decision. If the abstract looks appropriate, then you go on to read the article by clicking on this PDF link. Once you find articles that are useful to you, it's important to save them so that you can easily find them again. You don't want to have to do the search again, and the URL at the top of the page is not permanent, so you can't use that. You can email articles to yourself, which is a great way to save them and will usually include a PDF and the citation. You can also download them. Academic Search Complete allows you to download items to your Google Drive. Most databases will have very similar tools. If the database has scholarly articles, there will be a way to search just for them, and the articles will all be labeled with their type. Scholarly articles will nearly always have abstracts, so you can decide on their usefulness before reading them. And you can always save the articles so you don't have to go back and look for them again. Check out our other videos to learn about finding citations, getting an article that isn't in one of our databases, and more. If you have questions or need help, contact the library.